It's here, Mom.
What's that?
It's your package.
So we need to unbox that.
Yeah, we need to box. Ready to unbox it, Mom?
Just only one?
Only one.
Arrive?
Only one.
Okay, so unbox it.
Okay, you unbox it, Mom.
You unbox
Oh,
it.
you want me to unbox it?
Okay, I need to get the...
Yeah, you need to get the knife or scissor.
Okay. Just a second.
Okay.
So now we're going to get the scissor. Because Bob is going to unbox. Just sharing you guys this one.
I've been waiting for this for quite a while.
Really?
Yeah, but it comes pretty fast.
Okay.
Packed up nice. It's like a present. Pack everything very nicely.
Hoping it will work well.
Oh, well, that's where I buy it. But to work well.
What's that? Wow.
Wow.
What that name? From Logitech. Logitech. Wow.
We'll take it out of the box.
Yeah, okay. That's MKey 270.
That's what it says.
Yeah, MKey 270.
I believe that's what I ordered.
Wow, it's packed it well.
Wow.
What else?
Hopefully there's wires in there. I think, right?
Ah, okay. So they have
Mouse.
a mouse. What else? Oh. Wow. So you have to be careful of taking. They put in
Put it in here.
in the
What is this?
box cover. I think this one is like a
USB or whatever
yeah,
they call that?
I think so.
That's all that's in there.
That's all?
That's all that's in there.
Okay, so you have to try to open that. How it works. It's look good.
This for my secretary. I give this to my secretary. So she can use it.
What's the other one? They have a stand. Look, try to open that at the back. Yeah. Okay.
Stand. What's this for though?
I think it's like a USB.
Don't you know?
Yeah, because this one is Bluetooth.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, is that what it is?
So this one, I think this one is Bluetooth. And then they have a booklet here. It's a booklet, yeah?
Oh, yeah.
Instruction, a booklet
Good luck
instruction.
though, in Chinese.
In Chinese? Written in Chinese, no English?
Oh, no, English.
Ah, okay. So written in Chinese, but they have a translation into English. So that's good. So we can understand
Now,
that.
I have to hand this over to my secretary. 'Cause I'm sure she knows what she needs to do with this. Get typing, honey.
Okay, because yes.
Very good. Very well packed.
Yeah. Hoping it will work well. What do you think?
I would think so. I would hope so.
There's a mouse.
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh, you need batteries
Okay.
for these, I think, honey.
Huh?
Need batteries for these.
Okay, what kind of battery that they
Oh,
have?
got one in there.
Oh, they have just only one?
Yeah,
One battery?
yeah, one battery.
Okay, so we're just only one battery they are using for that?
Yep.
Okay, so they
Probably
have,
in the thing.
okay.
And this too. That's where that thing.
Yeah, so they have a battery. The other one is have a battery.
Here too.
Okay. So we'll check if what kind of battery. AAA. That's AAA battery.
Yeah.
So hoping they have another one. So we have still extra here. Okay, so
Two.
no, okay, so they have two, so it could work well, I'm sure. Okay, so we're going to try for that. Hoping it will work so we can get our reviews from that.
Yeah, you give reviews
Yeah. So
with this with my wife's. I mean my secretaries.
you're bullying
Laptop.
me. I just
Don't
put in the
bully.
table, babe.
I love my secretary.
No, thank you so much, babe,
My
for
secretary-
unboxing my.
My secretary takes very good care.
And
of me
thank you
all
so
the time.
much for supporting supporting my.
I love my secretary. She's beautiful.
Thank you so
Thank you,
much,
Mom.
babe. Okay, guys. So, well, see.
I
Okay.
get to play with it.
Yeah, I need to try to play with it. And look at that, guys. I have a rosal flower here. Yeah, because rosal flower is very good smell when you are put that one inside the house. But I soak with water so they are not going to dry it quickly. But it smells so good. Okay, guys. So now I'm going to try this one. If it's work well. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay. Okay, so now, good morning, everyone. So I forgot to say good morning to everybody, to all my subscribers and followers. Thank you so much, guys. I'm just sharing you guys because I said to Bob that I need to get the keyboard of our laptop because I don't want to have a trouble with the keyboard in my laptop, so it's better to have an extra. It comes off. I'm using this one, so it's better to have an extra, so it will not easy to destroy the laptop keyboard. Okay, so now because this one is arrived, we'll see how it works, guys. So I'm just asking to my son because they know that they are expert of gadget. I'm not really an expert of gadget, so I asked to my son if it's what kind of keyboard that I can get because I want to buy a new one. He said that you have to go to the Logitech. Yeah, so it means the Logitech is it's a little bit pricey, this one, but hoping it's worth it, and I can use it well, okay, because I don't want to make a destroy easy. I want to taking care of this laptop. Okay, so I don't know how to do this one first. So but because this one is wireless, so hoping it will work. Okay. Okay, so this is on. I don't know if the battery is the right. So supposed to be they have lights. I don't know. Okay. So they do it in different way. They still have plastic, so I need to take out the plastic first. Okay, so guys, I'm going to show you how I do it this one. So I already put the battery here. The battery here is AAA. Okay. AAA the battery, and this one also is, I think it's triple or double A. Triple. Yeah, so they both AAA. Okay, so and now this is very important things that you have to put in your laptop or in your PC. So you have to put it somewhere here. I wanted to put in the other side, in the left side, because I always using in this right side. So now it's easy to do it, guys. Okay, so now they have to make a little bit, and then so we are going to try if it's working. Okay, so now we're going to try if it's working. Okay, so now it's working, guys. Oh. So it means it's working. So the mouse is working. The keyboard is working. So now I'm going to check my studio, YouTube Studio. Oh. Ayan, so it's working, guys. So it means it's working well. Hoping it will long last. Because this is a very important the things that I'm not always using my keyboard in my laptop, so it will not be quickly damaged. So this is the reason why I got this one. Okay, guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next unboxing. Thank you and bye-bye.